9. There's the Reading Terminal Market. Neon with the flashing arrows. These are the elevators at 12th and Filbert. This is send that one down to G. Just got off on 9.
9th floor, going down.
Hopefully, oh good, they're both still working. There's the Marriott. Just filmed the one on 13th. Huh. Yeah, they do work. They just, for some reason, cancel out it's a finicky call button. There's a Jefferson Health building right there. Sort of see an American flag. Which one are we gonna get? This one or that one? I'm not sure if all service cuts off at level 9 at a certain time or not. I hear one of them coming. Just don't know which one. Actually, whoa. Let's try 8. Not sure if these are the stairs to the lower floors or not. Yeah, they are. Here we are heading down to 8. Because I think yeah, service probably. Which one will we get? I got this one.
8th floor, going down.
Let's go up to 9 first, actually. Here we are at 9. Send it to G, get the lantern. Alright, it's on this side. G. Close it out. It's the Reading Terminal Market neon with the arrows again. I'll go back up to 9.
Ground floor, going up.
Just waiting. There it is again. We're gonna end it at G.
9th floor, going down.
Cab view. Here we are at G, and that's it.